There's Alex becoming a beer man. Unpacking the beers and packing the beers. I think he's training for a future career. Back in the box. How's it going, buddy? Packing them right back in there, aren't you? Good job. Very nice. We're going to put you to work down at the brewery, I think. I think you're definitely a hard worker. Uh-oh, what happened? Won't fit? Try again. There you go. Oh, now we're going further away? It's probably starting to hurt your hands. You've been doing this for quite a while. There you go. Let's get them all put back in. Your hand's starting to hurt? Yeah, we need to get you one of those tools like the bartenders wear.